Hello there, this is Tech House channel. So today we will be covering the news coming straight from the Google. The recent reports highlights that the Google is continuously working on its custom-made chip. It will be made with partnership with Samsung. It has the name given GS101, which stands for Google Silicon 101. It will be based on 5nm architecture. It will be made by the Samsung in partnership. The custom-made Google chip, Google Silicon 101, will be featured in upcoming Google phone like Pixel 6 and Pixel 5a 5G. Now Google will be both software as well as hardware company like Apple. Now Pixel phones will be the straight competitor for Apple's iPhone. We won't see more Pixel device with Qualcomm Snapdragon chip. Now Google can deliver more premium software as well as hardware experience in Pixel phone. Now let's wait for the launch of Pixel 6 so we can compete the Google Silicon 101 with Qualcomm Snapdragon and Samsung Exynos processors. How these processors gonna compete with each other in Android space. If you have enjoyed watching to us, drop us like down below and make sure to subscribe to us. Till then, stay safe, stay connected. I'll see you around. Peace.